On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to log out your YouTube account on your mobile app easily. And you can either do this with your Android device or with your iPhone device. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected. I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. To do this, all you have to do is just open your YouTube app. And then once you're done opening your YouTube app, just click on this use section that you can see down below. So once you click on that, all you have to do is click on switch account. So once you click on switch account, it's going to show all the accounts that are in this your YouTube app. So once you get here, all you have to do next is click on manage accounts. So once you click on manage account, what you have to do now is just click on the email that is associated with that channel, or rather that account that you want to log out here on YouTube. So let me just click any email on mine. So the next thing you have to do is click on remove account. Then it's going to ask for a confirmation. All you have to do, just click on remove account again. And then once you do that, that's it. It's going to log out of that account on your YouTube app. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. And please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, at the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists. So you can also take out time to watch that, to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.